So there's different ways to sell on Amazon. So what are they? So one is online arbitrage, meaning you buy everything online, you ship it to your home or you ship it to your prep center, and then after that, you send it to Amazon warehouse for FBA for their store. So number two is retail arbitrage, meaning you go to the store, you buy stuff, and then you bring it home, you prep it, you ship it to Amazon for Amazon warehouse. So number three is replenishable. So we call it in the Amazon world replens. So what are replens? It's something that you sell over and over again. It doesn't need to be food or groceries. It can be toys, anything that you sell every month. So basically that's replen. And number four is wholesale or exclusive. So that means you're buying more or buying your product to a distributor or a wholesaler. And the last one is private label. And I know in